Hey guys, welcome to another video. As I mentioned on the previous video, I designed or made this program. It'll be kind of like a software, and this is actually a prototype still. I might just leave it like this. And the previous video I show you the same system, but it was to design business cards. This one is gonna be called Design Frame, and this is again just a prototype. Pretty much on this frame I will be able to design a logo. However, like I said, it is not a software but more like a HTML program that I develop. So it is pretty easy to use. It's pretty much like the business card maker, which is the system that I made to design the business cards. Except for this one, you don't need to choose a background. You just gotta start. You can just start designing here inside the frame, and everything we place here has to be inside the frame, or it will not download or save. So the way this works is we're gonna design for a t-shirt made with a PNG or an image that I downloaded from Google, from a real image, and I'm gonna make it into a clip art or a cartoon or whatever you want to call it, just a regular design. So let's go to choose file, and I'm gonna find this bicycle here, and I'm gonna make it bigger, and this should be good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do to make this and clip art, I'm just gonna go to PNG color and choose the color. We're gonna start with black. Okay, now it is a clip art. It is no longer a real image. This type of design is perfect for people that do printing t-shirts, or people that do what they call vinyl cutters, which is just a clip art image. They can do this type of design. So now I'm gonna do like a circular text. I'm gonna open a new page, open new tab, and I'm gonna click in it and just type in a phrase. I'm gonna start with this phrase, live to ride, and then slash ride to live. All right, so I'm gonna click update text, and it's gonna show the text. For some reason I'm still working on the program, but it only shows part of the circle it needs to show here. I'll get to that, but for now I have tested this and it works. So I'm gonna choose this text or font, and I'm gonna keep it black and maybe make it bigger. Yeah, there you go. All right, so now we're gonna download the circular text, and now we can close this page. And now I'm gonna upload my circular text and go to downloads and make it bigger, and maybe a little more bigger. It's supposed to be bigger than the bicycle. All right, because it's supposed to be a design for printing. Okay, now we can leave it like this, or we can rotate the logo. For some reason it only shows part of the design, not as I saved the design, but I can just rotate the image until this matches with the other side. So I'm gonna keep rotating, rotate logo up. This is the reason why I added these options for the logo and for the text, where you can rotate either your PNG or your text. And now that makes more sense, right? To live, live to ride. All right, so now we have our logo or our design. I can download my image or the design that I just made. Now I'm gonna refresh this page, and we can do two types of effects. I can do a gradient color, which is a blend of of 2 or 3 colors. We can do more than three. We can blend different colors, or we're gonna do a distress. So first we're gonna go with the blending of colors. So I'm gonna upload my logo that I just made, and here it is. And now you can either type in the color code, or you can just type it the name of the color that you want to combine. So we're gonna keep black, and then the second color blue, and then we can do maybe red. And let's see, blend colors. And I think I like this combination. Maybe we can do green. We can try a different one until you find the most perfect one that you think looks good. I think that one looks great. Okay, I'm gonna download this image, and then it's gonna download a logo gradient. Okay, now let's go back, and now before we continue, I'm gonna do the second effect. This is a screen printing distress effect. So we're gonna upload the original design, which is just black, and we're gonna add a distress to the image. Now here is gonna, the spot size starts at 0.5, and let's add the screen print effect, and it's gonna add a lot of dots to give the impression of distress, and you can increase or decrease your spot size. Okay, now let's apply that, and it looks a little better. Okay, I think that looks good. Download PNG. Now we have two designs in different effect. Okay, we're gonna refresh the image. Now I'm gonna upload a PNG of a t-shirt. We're gonna do a black t-shirt. I'm gonna make it bigger till it's big enough. Okay, I think that's gonna look good. We're gonna place this t-shirt here, and then now I'm gonna upload the logos, the different two ones that we did. Let's upload first the gradient logo, or the blended colors design. And now I want you to look at this. It looks really nice. And you saw me make this logo from a regular image, and now it is just a clip art. So I think that looks good, or I don't know. I want your thoughts in the comments. Now let's upload the distress image, see the difference, which one we like better. Now distress image, and we're gonna make it big, same size. And now this is a black color, so we're gonna turn this PNG white. We can do white or yellow. Let's try white first. And you see the distress, it looks really nice. Or you can make this yellow, or whatever color you like better. I think this one looks good too, but I think the either white or like a neon blue is gonna look, either one is gonna look nice. So yeah, this is how the design frame is gonna work. And if you're gonna do a presentation to your customer, you can download the image of the t-shirt, and then you can go to PNG Spinner, which is a program that you can that's gonna help you to send your customer a sample of the design. So we're gonna upload this, and you can probably upload the same image from the front. So you can, if you want to upload the back side of the t-shirt, just make sure it's the same size so it matches as it spins. So, and here you can type in, as I explained on the previous video, here you can type in your promotion or your phone number, your social media, and then download the file. So before you send it to your customer, so that way if the customer is gonna show his friends, or I don't know, gonna share this spinning image, or the presentation, is gonna also share your promotion for free. So that is why this option has this. So yeah, this is how this system works. I'm gonna make more tutorials of all the tools that you can use, from the color remover, color keeper, curve text. I just showed you on the previous video, I believe. If not, I'll show you how this works, and I already show you the circular text, and I already show you how these two effects for the design work. So yeah, this is how this design frame that I created with HTML works. So I want to hear your thoughts in the comments, and yeah, give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.